Hello, Bronco families. Welcome to Curriculum Night. Mrs. Rebejon and I are the Spanish teachers at Bailey Middle School. Mrs. Rebejon has been at Bailey for 3 years. She has many years of experience in education at the different levels, including the military. She is Colombian. She has a very handsome son whose name is Joseph. Mrs. Rebejon's Spanish classes are the perfect opportunity for interaction and fluency, so students can achieve functional proficiency in listening and speaking. And my name is Marva Smith-Carty, and I have been at Bailey since 2014. I am Jamaican, and I'm married to my wonderful husband of 10 years, and together we have a 4-year-old son, Ethan. My Spanish classes are the blend of discovery, cultural appreciation, and laughter. This academic year, our Spanish department continues to offer 3 courses: Exploratory Spanish to our 6th graders, Middle School Spanish to 7th and 8th grade, Spanish 1 Part A to 7th grade, and Spanish 1 Part B to 8th grade, and this is a high school credit class. Exploratory Spanish and middle school is taught to students in the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, with an emphasis on building understanding of the Spanish language at the novice level. Each of these courses lasts 1 semester. In the first quarter, students explore polite expressions, greetings and farewell, personal information, numbers, days of the week, months of the year, dates and birthdays, personality and physical description, colors, classroom supplies, and family description. In the second quarter, students continue to work on description. They describe their pets, they examine family members, the house, places in the neighborhood, time, weather, and clothing. Now let's take a look at Spanish 1 Part A for our 7th graders, which is a high school credit course. Students do 2 units. Unit 1, it's all about me. Within this unit, students examine the alphabet, classroom commands, greetings, introductions and farewell, description, Spanish numbers, days of the week, months of the year, description of personality and physical characteristics, countries of origin and nationalities, likes and dislikes, and the family. In Unit 2, where I spend my time, students explore classes, their daily schedule, time, numbers, school, places in the school, description of people in the plural form, daily routine, food, meals, the house, furniture, and activities that relate to each of these rooms. In Spanish 1, Part B, for 8th graders, students do units 4 and 3. Within these 2 units, they examine leisure activities, likes and dislikes, plans for the immediate future, verb conjugations with emphasis on regular, irregular, reflexive, and stem change in verbs, adverbs of frequency, places in the neighborhood, location, giving and following directions. We explore the verbs ser and estar, saber, conocer, and poder. We look at events and occasions. We look at how we extend, accept, and decline invitations in Spanish with clarity of explanation. We look at the weather. We look at cultural comparisons, and then we look at sports and leisure activities that are weather appropriate. Now here is our grading scheme, which aligns with the grading scheme at Bailey. For Spanish, it's 70% formal assessment and 30% informal. Students will be assessed in the main language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing combined with viewing. We ask if a student does not understand something in the virtual environment. We are always available to provide extra help and to provide clarity. Please encourage your Bronco to communicate with each of us. If a student or a parent needs to reach us, our email addresses are available right here. They are also on the Bailey website. You click on faculty and you scroll down, look for our names, and you will be able to send us an email. Thank you so very much for tuning in to our curriculum night, and we look forward to a phenomenal year with your Broncos.